Magandang hapon. Kasambahay kayo at the same time, karpintero?
Hindi
Bakit po
po.
sinisingil sa inyo yung nasirang baril?
Yung nangyari po kasi, barado po yung...
At hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking butas sa wall. Perfect sa condo o apartment. Gusto mo
Hey, school me policy, I've got to let you go.
In two-
No, it's only got 20,000 on the clock, but that's my final offer. That's just great, thanks. No license, no job. Now what? So, what's it gonna be?
Because number one, the 8 million defensor Santiago was all Senator.
All I wanted was a bloody Stella. You can fuck off, you psycho. You psycho. You psycho. You psycho. How can you be so